Introduction. Hi there. In this video, we're going to talk about the pros and cons of ChatGPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. Versatility. ChatGPT is a very versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of purposes, such as chatbots, language translation, text generation, and more. This makes it an excellent option for businesses and individuals who need a reliable language processing tool. High accuracy. One of the biggest advantages of ChatGPT is its high level of accuracy. The model has been trained on a massive amount of data, which means that it can generate text that is both grammatically correct and contextually relevant. Time saving. ChatGPT can help save time by automating a lot of the language processing tasks that would otherwise need to be done manually. This means that businesses and individuals can focus on more important tasks instead of spending hours on language processing. Improved customer experience. With the help of ChatGPT, businesses can create chatbots that can interact with customers in a more human-like manner. This can lead to an improved customer experience, as customers feel like they are talking to a real person instead of a robot. Limited control over output. One of the biggest drawbacks of ChatGPT is that it can sometimes generate text that is not relevant or appropriate. This is because the model is based on machine learning algorithms, which means that it can sometimes produce unexpected or unwanted results. High computing power requirement. ChatGPT requires a significant amount of computing power to operate. This can make it difficult for smaller businesses or individuals to use the tool effectively. Expensive. Another downside of ChatGPT is that it can be quite expensive to use, especially for businesses that require a large amount of language processing. Potential bias. Because ChatGPT is trained on a large amount of data, there is a risk of bias being introduced into the model. This can lead to the model producing text that is discriminatory or offensive. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful language processing tool that has a lot of potential benefits. However, it is important to be aware of the potential downsides of using the tool, such as the limited control over output, high computing power requirement, expense, and potential for bias. Overall, ChatGPT can be an excellent option for businesses and individuals who need a reliable and versatile language processing tool, but it is important to use it with caution and be aware of its limitations.